And welcome back to Corbellic Studios. I'm Corbellic. Today we're going to be doing a neo-expressionism postal carrier with an American flag in the background and maybe like a scribble portrait, something like that. This is going to be real expressionism. It's going to be real abstract. I love doing paintings like this because, like I said, I love just playing around and tricking the audience mind. They can see you do the beautiful work. They can see you do the large stuff. They can see you do whatever you think your perception is of the gallery. It doesn't have to be everything is the same like that because it gets boring, it looks boring. Change it up on them, you know? Have a painting where you got a simple line, or you got a stick figure. I used to do stuff like that all the time for fun, where it was like, I would have a painting and it was just, I would just do one line of paint, like a black line. And then on that black line, I would sell it for $1,000. I would put the price tag for $1,000. I don't know, I don't remember if it sold for that much. It might have, I remember it sold for something, but eventually it sells as long as you put it into your buy it now store. But that's a different subject. All right, but just change it up on them. And that's always the fun part, is that you're changing up the mindset of what people look at you. You never want to be predictable, is what I'm saying. All right, so let's get into this artwork and let's just be unpredictable together. All right, so here we are right now, and let's just go straight into the background with our colors. Make the colors heavy, make it different. Here, let's do the black. The more loose, the better. Trust me on that. The more loose, the better. I'm just going to do the American flag background. And the cool thing about these paintings is that you can really work it quick, and it looks beautiful because people see that you have a confidence about yourself and how you're moving quick about the art. I know I say it all the time, but I'm really trying to reiterate it for you, that the strong art is the ones that look strong, and they don't have the ones that are strong art are the ones that look strong, and they don't have the control mechanism of the details and all of that stuff. Look, boom. Look at that. Now, I love working like this more than anything, because when I'm starting the painting, it's already off the idea that I'm not trying to be perfect. I'm not trying to be anything than Corbellic when I show up. And that's fine. Just be yourself. I'm so proud of one of my members in the elite community that I coach with the art, is that she went out of her way to purchase a large order of canvases. I'm not going to say how much, but you know, that's it's pretty typical, because that's the same type that I would do. And you have to believe in yourself. You have the reason why it's such a psychological benefit to purchase your canvases is that way you know that you could create artwork how I'm creating right now. And if you make a mistake, which there are no mistakes, you have other canvases to get onto the next one. It doesn't matter. The only reason that people are scared to work in a way of how I work and letting the ego go, but just to create art, is because you don't have enough canvases. That's the truth. You don't have enough canvases. You don't have enough paint. You don't have enough supplies. Scared money makes no money. You're scared because you only have so many canvases. You're scared because you don't have enough artwork. You're scared because you don't have enough supplies. And once you have that, even me, like you like The number one thing that I'm scared of the most, and I would have anxiety thinking about it when I was in my prime days, is not having enough canvases. That's something for me that just drives me crazy. And me, I have to order so many canvases where I have to order it online in bulk order. I can't get my supplies from going to the store. That gives me anxiety thinking that I have to get my supplies. Well, I get my paint from the store, but it gives me anxiety thinking that I have to get my canvases from the store. It's almost 50% more compared to how I show you inside the community of how you can get your supplies when it comes to canvases. But B, I need more than that. I need more than what I could find at the store. I might take everything from the store on the sizes that I need and you don't have enough or whatever. And then what happens is I come home and I only have a certain amount of canvases to work off of. Psychologically, even though I created so many paintings, I can't create the way that I want to. The only way that I could create the way that I want to and I could be free is by me having a body of canvases. I need to have a lot of canvases. So make sure that when you're creating, make sure that you have enough supplies, and I guarantee you're gonna make beautiful artwork. You're gonna be more loose in how you create, and you're gonna be more free in the choices that you do, because you're gonna know that there's more where that comes from. You get what I'm saying? You're gonna be like, there's more where that comes from. So it doesn't matter the choices that I make, because I need to get rid of it anyways. And then once I get rid of it, I'm on to ordering more canvases and buying more. I'm telling you, if you want to get into the business of having passive income, then you need to click the link below, join the free eBay art community, and learn how you can start making this art for yourself, so you can start making money, so you can figure out how you could put this up into eBay, and why it's sitting in eBay as a buy it now, which we call bins. Eventually it will get sold, but when it gets sold, you already forgot about it because you're already busy creating more artwork. You're already on to the next one. So when a piece is sold for $200, yeah, you created it, so it's not really passive income, but by the time that it's sold, and you're not even thinking about it, it's all profit because you created that already paintings ago. You're already moving. That's how I work it. That's the only way that you're going to have freedom and you're going to have passive income, is if you're actually working it and not clocking the numbers all the time. Stop clocking the numbers all the time. Scared money makes no money. Only thing that's going, and that's, people don't get it. I'm trying to tell you, I didn't get it myself until I started working more, and when I started making money. You know how they always say, oh, the rich gets richer and richer. Yes, that's true, but we don't even understand there's a whole reason why. The rich get richer and richer because their frequency is on having money. So they don't have the mindset of scared money loses money, and they don't have that mindset. But also is that it comes to them, and it will come to you too. It will come to you too, the more opportunities that you open up for yourself to make the money, and not be penny counting and thinking about, well, is it going to happen for me? People who I coach, and the ones who I notice who always make the most money and who are always successful when it comes to selling art, it's not because they went to art school and their art is better, because it's not. It's all the same. They're not doing anything different than anybody else is doing. The only reason why is because their frequency is that they're not on scared money and not believing in themselves. They're not thinking about this all the time. They're just creating. And they know that when it sells, and they're going to make their money. And they make their money daily. And then when asking them why, they're like, all I did was just follow exactly what Corbellic said. I didn't do anything special. And you can do it too. I've been coaching so many people even before I started doing this. I was coaching people who have no art experience whatsoever. And then when I noticed that everybody could be successful just because I figured out the algorithm and how to work eBay, just because I've been selling on eBay for over 8 years and I sold over 17,000 pieces of art on there, I figured out the system and then I showed other people how to do it. Now my passion is to help other people and for other people to make money. But the real reason why now I make these videos of me painting and me talking to you is to help you with the psychological aspect of how to make the money, because it's deeper than the art. Anybody can do the art. We work off of a projector. It's about your mindset and how to believe in yourself and how to have it gravitate towards you. The ones who are the most successful are the ones who gravitate where they know the money is coming towards them and they're not in a deficit mindset. They're not in good things don't happen to me mindset. That's the past. Put that in the past. Like right now we're in 2026, or that's tomorrow, but still, whenever you watch this video, it's probably gonna be 2026. Say that was last year. Say whatever it was yesterday, whoever you were yesterday, or whatever your life circumstances was that was yesterday or the year before or whatever, that doesn't have to be what today is. Today could always be a new start. It could be a new you. The things that stopped you yesterday in life circumstances of yesterday, they have nothing to do on your energy today. Start bringing this energy back into yourself. This is my passion. People don't even understand. People think I always tell people this isn't an art class. I never try to teach you about art because you're already an artist. It's already inside of you. What I'm really trying to teach is the money aspect. And this is anything that you do. I think I'm gonna just start talking about this more, because this is what I coach even outside of eBay. I have individuals where I coach about the aspect of bringing in your business, the psychological aspect of bringing money into your life. These are my passions now. And it's my passion because I've been in the aspect of where I've been broke. I've been broke plenty of times. And the reason that I was broke had nothing to do with outside circumstances or other things that I thought at the time it had to do with the economy or my life or whatever. And then what happens is you have to sit down and you say to yourself, okay, but why does it always happen? Why do I always find myself in that situation? Have you ever had a situation in your life where you get money, but then somehow it finds a way to leave you? A lot of these things is because of us, and it's because of you. And it's because of the energy that you bring into it and how you view yourself and how you view success, how you view money, that you're not worthy. These are things that you need to break out of. A lot of times there's people who be like, oh, I can't have sales, or things aren't working for me. And a lot of the times it's because of something that's inside of you that you have to break out of, a mental block, a psychological block. This is the new year. Say to yourself that you are great. You deserve to have greatness. The things of what yesterday was, it doesn't determine of who you are today. That's not who you are anymore. And then what's going to happen as well, you're going to have the old energy. I always talk about this, where you ever notice whenever you're trying to break away from certain, I guess they could say, some people call it generational curses, or different things like that, right? Where as soon as you're trying to break away from things, that the old frequency It's like a rehab. It's like a drug. It wants you back, and it's going to do so many things for you to slip up. Like once you have a slip up, is waiting for you to have a bigger slip up and have that be spiral out of control. And it's up to you to make sure that that energy never even comes back, and it's not going to spiral out of control. You believe in what's coming. Anytime that you feel even anxiety, or if you feel like, so things like a slip up could happen of life, just know that that means that you're on your path to greatness. In that low energy frequency that you've always been in, it misses you, and it wants you to come back. That's when you're on the path of greatness, when you feel that energy that's like, oh, I had a bad sale, or I had a bad day, something, it doesn't feel good. Nah, that just means that you're on the right path. Keep going. Don't listen to that. Your old frequency wants you back. Don't give it any energy. I don't know if this makes sense. Probably to some people it doesn't make sense, but you know what's crazy is that I'm giving you game that people spend $100,000 for. These are the high advanced coaches, what they talk about. These are the things that people talk about in closed conferences. Like, you have to be part of a secret society to basically get this information that I'm telling you. And then when you're in the secret society, it's not even about the business side and all these things. It's on a deeper mindset. If you, because once you're at that level and you paid for it and you see these people at that success, you don't have to be convinced to believe in it. What they tell you, your mind believes in it, and your mind is powerful. And the reason you're not able to do it now is because you're not able to see the fruits of it, the rewards. And if you can't see it now, then you don't think it's possible. So your frequency is lower, and it stays lower at that frequency. But once you have it higher and you can see it's possible, you can see that you're able to make this money, and you're able to be successful in no matter in what you do, and that God wants great things from you, then you're able to do it. You're able to keep doing it. That's why I was going to say the rich get richer. The rich get richer because they understand this concept of keeping this energy of success, and no matter what they do. Let me write something cool on here before taking a picture. Maybe like USA, and then right here we'll put incorporated. All right, so that's a cool video right there. I'm happy with this art. Look at this, huh? There's our abstract expressionism postal guy right there with the flag behind him. Hey, you can think whatever you want about it. I don't think anything at all with it, because I'm going on to the next painting. This painting is going to sell. I'm going to put it into the buy it now store, or I can do whatever I want with it. But by the time that it sells, it's going to be passive income to me in my mind, because I've already completed it. I'm already on to the next one. I've already ordered my batches of canvases. I'm already in the elevated mindset. If you want to learn more about that as well, click the link below. Join us in the free eBay art community. You don't have to have experience creating art. I didn't go to art school. I'm working off the projector. I have an elevated mindset. Join us and you can learn how to do this yourself. I'll see you in the next video.